Sometimes after people pass their real estate exam, I get this question: what do I do now? And it kind of takes me back when they ask me that, because I assume that they studied for the exam with an intention of starting a business, which they had some familiar with. But sometimes I realize they pass their exam, they really have no idea. They don't know real estate agents work on commission. They don't know that you need to find a broker. They don't know anything about sales or what it's all about. So I stop and I ask them, why did you initiate this process? Why did you start? And this is my way of trying to help them. Instead of looking at them like you did this without having any idea of what the business is about, because sometimes it's the case. And I could judge and I could be critical, but that's not going to help anybody. It's not going to make me feel good about myself. So instead, I want to take a step back. And that's what I want to do for you guys who are saying, I don't know what to do. I know nothing about this. Because there's a lot of gurus and experts who are going to sell courses and lectures and brokers who will lead you. And some of them do great work and have really good information for you. But for that to be useful, you have to be motivated, interested, and understand what the main goal is. So before you do any of that, I need you guys to sit back and say, why did I do this? And it's not because I want to make money. Well, that is a good reason, don't get me wrong. This is probably the quickest way to make a good buck that's out there. But you need to say, what about this? Because there's other ways to make a lot of money. You could create an online business, I don't know, start a restaurant, write a beautiful song. Who knows? There's a lot of things you could do, but you chose this. What was it about this that you saw that said, I could do that? Something. So even those people who say, I know nothing about this, I didn't realize this was a commission-based business, how do I get a job? Do I have to work for a broker? What is a broker? What's the whole point? Even those people, there's something that made them look at this and say, I want to do this. For some people, they saw something that said, this gives me a chance to be creative. I could design my own marketing. I could utilize what I learned. I could put together some good websites, get a lot of traction. I'm really good at putting together quality social media. Maybe that was it. Maybe some of you guys said, I don't know what this is all about, but I can't do the 9 to 5 anymore. I need to be independent. Maybe somebody said, I'm just good at sales. I know how to talk to people. So maybe they understand that this is a bit commission-based business, but they didn't know anything else. My point is there's always a starting point whether you realize it or not. And before you get into all those courses and gurus and lectures and brokers who know a lot more than I do about how to get the business going, you need to understand what is your voice. Where did I start? What was it about this? What triggered me? Was it the size of somebody's commission? Was it the independence? Was it the marketing? Was it you want to get out there and talk to people? Was it the sales? Was it the love of design of homes? Maybe you love beautiful interior decoration. You want to talk about it all day. Maybe it was the gardening in front. Maybe you love doing taxes. I don't know. But there was something that triggered you. And whatever that thing is, I need you guys to write that down and put it right in front of your computer, because that's going to be your North Star as you build your business. It's very simple. There is something that got you going in this business, and I want you guys to think about it as you try to grow. And if you do that, maybe it'll be easier to figure out your first steps towards success.